Welcome to another Ready or Not tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change characters. Alright, just a quick heads up here, you cannot do it using single player. It's only going to work when you are in multiplayer mode. Alright, I'm going to show you. Alright, as you can see here, we are now on the headquarters. What we're going to do is just go ahead over to the briefing room. Alright, go past this room right here. Let's go to SWAT unit. And here, go to the right. Now go to the locker right here. Just press an F to customize your character. Alright, as you can see here, you have the option to change the character. Just click on the drop down right here. You'll be able to choose Judge right here, Alabama, Atlas, Banks, and some other characters right here. Say for example, I wanted to select this guy right here, Spencer. I'm going to click on it. As you can see, as easy as that, you have just changed the character. You can also change the voice of the particular character right here. You can see. Just hover your mouse.
We're not here for you.
Civilian is good to go. Comply.
Don't move! You can tell your story at the station.
They're down. Civilian down.
Civilian is down.
Cuffed and ready.
Alright, say for example McBain right here. Pretty cool. I'm going to click on it. Now you wanted to save your preset. For example, this one. That is currently set as default. As you can see here, I have one right here. And I'm just going to hit on save. For example, tough guy. Alright, hit on OK. Now you can go ahead and change the uniform right here, whatever you want. Now when you press on escape, this is the current character that you'll be using when you start a game. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.